All right. Good day, everyone. I'm Peter Dan. In today's class, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of matrices. So matrices is the plural form of matrix. And we have more than one matrix, then it becomes matrices. So we want to learn how to add and subtract two or more matrices. Now, first, take note that you can only add or subtract two or more matrices if they are of the same order. If they are of the same order, for example, if I have matrix A equal 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 6, and 8, right? Now, for us to add matrix A and matrix B together, matrix B must also be of the same order as matrix A. So if you look at matrix A has how many rows? Row 1 as well as row 2. Matrix B has A has column 1, right, column 2, and column 3. So which means A is a 2 by 3 column. That is 2 rows and 3 columns. Now, for us to add A and B together, B must also have the same number of rows as well as the same number of columns. So B, for example, is 5 minus 3 and then 8 minus 4 minus 2 and then minus 6, for example. So if you look at B also has row 1, row 2. This is column 1, column 2, and column 3. So it simply means that B is also of order 2 by 3. Now we can now find A plus B, right? Let's also find number 2, B plus A, then number 3, A minus B, number 4, B minus A. Of course, A plus B, number 1, will equal. Now, to add the two matrices, you add the elements. So if this is A, for example, so if these are the elements of matrix A, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and then these are the elements of B, to say B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. Now, remember, these subscripts indicate the position of each element. For example, B11 is in the first row, first column. B12 is in the first row, but second column. So for us to add A plus B, you add the elements of A in the first row, first column, with the elements of B in the first row, first column, as well as the elements of A in the first row, second column, with the elements of B in the first row, second column, as well as the elements of A in the first row, third column, with the elements of B in the first row, fourth column. The same thing, the element of A in the second row, first column, plus the element of B in the second row, first column. You add the elements of A in the second row, second column, plus the element of B in the second row, second column. You add the element of A in the second row, third column now, plus the element of B in the second row, third column. So you add them together, your result then forms the addition of A and B. So now, from our exercise, from the example, A is 3, so which means 3 is the element of A in the first row, first column. 5 is the element of B in the first row, first column. So to add A and B, you add 3 and 5, they become the first element. Then you add 0 and minus 3, they become the elements in the first row, second column. You add minus 5 and 8, that becomes the element in the first row, third column. So to do same, you add elements 2 and elements minus 4. You add element 6 and element minus 2. You add element 8 and element minus 6. So this gives us, so we say A plus B will then equal, so we have 3 plus 5, we have 0 plus minus 3, and then we have minus 5 plus 8. So that's the first row. We have the second row 2 plus minus 4. We have 6 plus minus 2, and then we have 8 plus minus 6. So that A plus B is equal, 3 plus 5 is 8, plus times minus is minus, so 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 5 plus 8 is 3. The plus times minus is minus, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, plus times minus is minus, 6 minus 2 is 4, plus times minus is minus, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this becomes the element for A and B. Now, question 2 says, find B plus A. So this B plus A will equal, of course, so we are adding B first now. The element of B comes first before the element of A. So we mark 5, that will be 5 plus 3. So the element in the first position of B adds the element in the first position of A. So we have minus 3 also plus 0. And we have 8 plus minus 5. Now we have minus 4, right? Minus 4 plus 2. We have minus 2 plus 6. Then we have minus 6 plus 8. So if you do that, we have A plus B plus A rather. B plus A will equal 5 plus 3, that is 8, minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3, plus times minus is minus, 8 minus 5, that is 3. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 6 is 4, minus 6 plus 8 is 2. So we discover that one of the things we discovered is that A plus B is the same thing as B plus A, because A plus B gave us 8 minus 3, 3, which is the same thing as 8 minus 3, 3, and then minus 2, 4, 2, minus 2, 4, 2. And that is the what? That is commutative, right? It obeys the commutative law. So matrix addition obeys commutative law. Now, try this for me and drop your answer in the comment section. A minus B as well as B minus A. And then state if subtraction of matrix obeys commutative law. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.